Once you have typed in your home page, you will now navigate to the right and you will now start to add insert, pages, and themes. Let us insert by using the first content blocks. You can use any of these content blocks. Click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you can now type about me. You can now populate this paragraph with information about you. You can also change the font size and the font type and the text by selecting your text. Click on italics. You can now also upload an image. Click on the left where you see the plus, and then you select from Drive. A menu will appear and you can click from Drive. Once you have done, you will see on your right the preview. Now you type in the name of your folder, ePortfolio Student, and you can see the name appear. You can press enter and the folder will appear. Double click on the folder. Once you double click on the folder, you can now select the image to put on the home page. For this example, we're going to use a picture of ourselves. Double click on the image. Once you double click on the image will now appear. You can also now resize. You can close now on the top right the preview. To add more pages, navigate next to insert to pages. Click on pages. At the bottom, click on the plus sign. Now you can type a new page. We will call this page CV. Once you click on it, it will now appear. We can create another page by clicking again on pages to make sure you're at the right place. And at the bottom, click on the plus sign. Click on it once, type assignment, and click on done. You will now see your headings will appear. To upload the CV or the PDF, you can click on insert. You can make use of a text box to put on your CV. CV. Please find below. You can now manipulate the text by selecting it and changing how it looks. You are also able to change the color of the text by clicking on the left, section colors, and selecting a color. We are selecting style 2. To upload the CV, you will now click on Drive on your right, and you will again do the search ePortfolio Student, and you press enter. It will now open the folder. You can double click on the folder. Please select the relevant document. We will select a PDF for this example. Double click on the PDF. When you see a pop-up, just say share. You may close the preview and you may adjust the width and the breadth of the document. Click again on pages. you will see you have a home page, a CV, and now we'll do one more by clicking on assignment. Click on assignment. It will take you to the assignment page. You will click again on insert, and now you will click on text box, assignment, and you will type in assignment 1. You can now embed the assigned document as a link. You need to highlight the text, and then on the editor you need to find the link. Once you found the link, you can go to the document where you see the document link is. You can then get the files link. Click on copy link, go back to the page, click on insert link, and paste the shortcut. Click on apply, and this applies for any picture, any document, any video. Once you now have clicked on the link, you can go back and look at your pages. Home page, about me, your CV that you have embedded, and then also you have a link to an assignment. By this time, you can now preview your document. You can click on the preview tab on the top. You can see now a preview of your document. And you can see you can scroll through it. And last but not least, you can click on the document that is linked and it will open. You can close. By at the bottom where you see phone, tablet, large screen, there's a little cross. Click on close. We will now apply a theme to our ePortfolio. On the top, click on themes. You have a variety of themes to choose. Scroll down to see which one fits you best. We'll select Vision for this example. Once you click on it, it will apply to all the pages.